today. Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Kenyatta here, and today I am going to be doing the much promised Q&A video, okay? I made a video and I asked everyone to comment down below and ask me your questions. Now, everyone's questions wasn't a question. Some people are just showing love to their homegirl, okay? And so I'm going to be answering the questions of everyone who had questions. And some of y'all thought y'all was slick and y'all asked me 2 and 3 questions in one comment, but that's neither here nor there. I'm going to get to y'all questions, so let's go ahead and start off with the first question. I have my phone here, so I'll be reading. You'll see me looking down to read you guys this question, okay? Whew. I digress. Let's get into the first question. The first question comes from Magic and Marriage, and she says, yes, I have 2 children, 1 boy, 1 girl with locks. I need help with proper deep cleaning plus styles for boys. My 8-year-old wants styles, but the only ones I know are for girls. Okay, Miss Magic and Marriage. Okay, listen. I saw that you commented on one of my videos today, the video I just uploaded about how to remove buildup out of your locks, and you mentioned that you would be needing what we call a hair bathtub. I'll have it right here on the screen, and you will be using it for your son. Okay, now this is a great suggestion for washing children's hair. It's great because you don't have to worry about them complaining about getting water and soap in their eyes while you're actually cleaning their locks. Now, I don't suggest rinsing their hair in this, but if you really wanted to get a deep clean and you wanted to take your time and really scrub their locks, you could actually use that. But for deep cleaning, I definitely suggest, like I always do, Dr. Bronner's. It really strips all of the dirt, oil, any buildup that could be in your locks. Dr. Bronner's is a great soap for this. Now, as far as styles are concerned, I have a 4-year-old son, and whenever I style his hair, I always do 2-strand twists in his hair, and they look cute and they last for a long time. I mean, they look nice. He a boy, but I mean, they look nice. I ain't saying he cute, but my son is a little handsome, but anyway, that's besides the point. 2-strand twists, they last a long time, and also you could try doing. So we're gonna go ahead and move into the next question. It comes from Amanda Francis, and she says she's been locked for 15 years, and she would like to know how to remove buildup from her locks without using an ABC rinse or tweezers. Now, just like before, I did just mention this hair bathtub, and I really think it's a great tool if you're doing rinses and if you're soaking your locks, which leads me into letting you know that soaking your locks is a great way to remove buildup. It's not necessarily an ABC rinse. What you want to do is get you one of these little hair bathtubs right here, and then you want to go ahead and fill it with some hot water. You want to add some lemon oil, which is very good for cleansing the scalp. It removes buildup. It unclogs hair follicles to get all those germs out that could be festering inside of your hair follicles. It is also great for disinfecting your hair. So I will go ahead and add lemon oil to some hot water. Also add some Dr. Bronner's tea tree Castile soap and soak your hair, okay? Lay there in your hair bathtub for about an hour at least, at minimum, and just really let your hair soak in that water. You can do this about once a month, every 2 weeks, as needed, depending on how much buildup you're trying to remove from your hair. Once you finish soaking your hair, just go ahead and give it a good wash. You want to wash twice, washing from root to tip to get everything out of your hair. You could also you could use Dr. Bronner's tea tree Castile soap to wash your hair. The third question is coming in from Mrs. Logan 26. What's up, boo? You said you saw me at Walmart the other day, but you ain't say nothing to me though. Next time you see me, say what's up to you, girl. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Anyway, Miss Logan says, I need advice on itchy scalp. This is driving me crazy. Please help. Okay, Miss Logan. Girl, you ain't the onlyest one, because there's a lot of people who want to know the same thing. Your comment has 8 likes, okay? And I got some tea for y'all. and I wrote it down, so y'all gonna see me looking down. First and foremost, I want to say check out my video that I posted before this one. It's called 5 Essential Oils for Itchy Scalp. There's a lot of great information in that video as it pertains to treating itchy scalp and so on and so forth. Now for you, I would say once you check out that video, also I suggest there's a shampoo that you could use called it's called Locs shampoo with eucalyptic oil. I hope I'm saying that right. And it's an anti-itch shampoo. I'll leave it right here so that you can see what I'm talking about. Try that shampoo. Also, there is a anti-itch lock drop and conditioner by the same company, Locs, which has great products. I definitely recommend them. And it's an anti-itch lock drop and conditioner, okay? And this is something that you can use in your hair daily to help you treat itchy scalp. Also, when you do wash your hair, make sure that you're washing your hair very thoroughly, and rinsing very thoroughly is important, because sometimes when you have residue in your scalp from products that you may have used, this can irritate the scalp and cause itchy scalp. And as much as you don't want to hear this, they say don't scratch when your scalp is itching, but it's like, girl, easier said than done. But if you can refrain from scratching your scalp, this will help you deal with your itchy scalp, because scratching can cause infection. You can have dirt under your nails, or you can create scratches and sores in your head from scratching so hard. So definitely try. The next question comes from Kenyatta Tyon. What's up, girl? You trying to hit my name? You trying to be like, hey, yeah? It's like, I'm joking. Kenyatta Tyon. She says, can you do styles for shorter locks? Your videos have inspired me to keep going versus combing them out again, but I don't think the styles and my length and lock pattern will work together. Y'all know how many people tell me that on a daily basis. I get a lot of people, all of my ladies out there with the medium length locks, medium to short length locks. I've been thinking about y'all, and I got a surprise just for y'all, so stay tuned for that. And I will be sharing a lot more videos on medium length to short locks. That is coming, okay? I'm literally working on something as we speak for all of y'all. I'm thinking about everyone. So rock with your girl, because that surprise will be for y'all. There's not much I can actually say for that question, but I got you. Stay tuned. The next question comes from Akoya Pichon. I hope I'm saying that right. She says, what size would you consider your locks to be, and did you start them with coils or twists? I would consider my locks to be medium length. They are medium sized. And I started with double strand twists. The next question comes from Mish M. I hope I'm saying that right. She asks how to help a retwist last on hair that is naturally very frizzy. And she also asks, what is good advice for responding to someone who says they don't like locks? Just curious to how you respond. How I would respond? Okay, first, when it comes to hair that is extra frizzy, I'm assuming you have a thinner texture of hair that is very frizzy, or if it's thick. Y'all already know what I use. My hair is thick, okay? I use beeswax. Now, I know everybody don't like beeswax, but that's what I use, and it works for me, okay? My retwists last, okay? So I would suggest using beeswax. If you don't want to use beeswax, you could use a pomade or something else. If you don't want to use either, you want to use something that's not that thick in consistency, I would just say retwist your hair. Find a good, it's called mousse, okay? And it's like a holding so I had to go and grab my mousse, y'all, for Mish M. This is the foam that I suggest using if you want to hold your maintenance for a long time. When you finish maintaining your hair, if you don't want to use beeswax, or if you use beeswax too, go ahead and when you have your clips on and you're letting it dry, use some of this foam, like literally slather it on your roots and, you know, moisturize your roots with this foam here. It's by Tropical Roots, okay, and it's a foam. It's for all natural hair types. It's moisturizing sculpting foam. And it says no flaking, long-lasting hold, adds shine and seals moisture. See? This is the foam. So, and it has a pump. You just, ooh, you know, and it comes out just like that. I've used this one time, but I don't need to use that very much because water and time really holds locks. How would I respond to someone saying that they don't like locks? Okay? Don't nobody care. It sounds like a personal problem to me. That's just how I would respond. Crickets, girl. Crickets, okay? I would be looking at them like they crazy. Like, you actually took time out your day to say that to me. I would give it the attention it deserves. And I would just walk away. Alright guys, so if I go on in this video, it's going to be a super long video. So I am going to do part 2 of this Q&A because I don't want this video to be super long. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Comment down below if I answered your question in this video and let me know if my answer helped you or if it didn't. I hope that it did. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl, and don't forget to share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. Y'all know I rode with y'all a long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.